Have you ever noticed that the Chinese character mu looks like a tree? That's because it was meant to. The character mu can be traced back to the oracle bone script of the Shang dynasty. In its earliest form, it was a pictograph of a tree. The upper part represents the branches, and the lower part represents the trunk and roots, showing a tree standing firmly in the ground. This shows the evolution of the character mu from ancient times to the present. Let me show you how to write the character. Over time, mu also became a common radical known as the wood radical. Characters with the mu radical are usually related to trees, wood, or plants. For example,
林、
forest,
松、
pine,
柳、
willow,
床、
bed,
桌、
table,
椅、
chair,
板、
floor,
柜。
cabinet. From a tree to a character, mu shows how Chinese characters grew from nature. Thanks for watching. See you in the next lesson.